V.
It works!
Let's have a little fun with this one. We'll start by cutting some EVA foam on our ShopBot using a 1/4-inch downcut end mill, using a conventional cutting technique for a nice clean cut. We're cutting pockets to house a number of electronic components. These include an Arduino, a flex sensor, an accelerometer, an MP3 shield, and a speaker. I'm also using an Airweights vacuum table to help us achieve a nice clean profile. Now we'll do a lot of soldering, and then we'll write some code to trigger a few sound clips. We'll finish things up by pushing our components snugly into place and adding some googly eyes.